Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl phenomenal Kish, and I'm here today with this lovely makeup look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, continue watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. If you haven't already, tell a friend to come by and watch the video. So let's get straight into the makeup tutorial. Welcome guys, welcome. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. If you want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, is in my description. You could go and check it out. So I've based my lids with some illegal pro concealer in Fawn, and now I'm applying this blush from Sacha Cosmetics, and I'm just blending it out with this Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. Okay, so this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm using that darker shade there to pack it on the outer corner of the eyes, and then I'm blending out all over the lids as well. This is a shimmery black, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of the lid. Here I'm just blending out any harsh line. Then I'm going to be going in with this Amuse 2-in-1 liquid pencil liner. I'm just using that to create a simple wing. So guys, whenever I'm doing my makeup, I'm always lining my lids with a black pencil or dark brown pencil or any black liquid liner, just to line the lids there to apply. This is to help me, to guide me to where I'm supposed to apply my lashes. It really helps me. You could try it if you're not good at applying your own lashes. So yeah, I'm going to be applying this lash glue above the wing line I've created. I'm going to be applying some loose glitter, and the color is purple. So that is the reason why I apply the lash glue. This is to hold the glitter in place. So that's what I'm doing there. So after I finish applying that glitter and the glue, I'm moving on to this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to be using it to clean up any mess I've made while I was doing my wing line. On to applying primer to the face, and this is a Milani Prime Correct, and it diffuses discoloration on the face. It does minimize pores, and it's oil free if you do have oily skin. Yes, it does. And I'm going to be using the Loreal TrueMatch foundation in C6, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics foundation brush to apply the foundation and blending that all over the face. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Beauty Blender to get rid of any excess foundation on the face and make sure the foundation is evenly blended out. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm going to be applying that to the highlighted areas of the face. And this brush I'm using to blend out the concealer, it's from Real Techniques in 402, and it's their setting brush. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit more of the concealer underneath the eyes. This is to get rid of that puffy look, or some people would say it back underneath the eyes. This helps to get rid of that look. The more you build up the product underneath it, give it a more smoother look. Now I'm using the foundation brush. I used to apply the foundation to blend out any harsh line between the illegal Pro Concealer I'd apply and the foundation. Now I'm applying the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to all the areas I had applied the concealer. This is to set the product because remember it's a liquid or it's a creamy substance. Whenever you apply creamy substance to your face or any liquid, you use a powder to set it. So I'm just using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer to the face. On to contouring the face, and I'm going to be using my all-time favorite, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Dark to Deep, and I'm just going to contour the cheeks there. A little bit below we have applied the concealer. Now I'm going to be contouring the nose, and I'm using the same shade I used to contour the face. Just use a smaller brush. This is a angled eyeshadow brush. I use this to get the product better on the face, because if I use a bigger brush, the product tends to go places it's not supposed to be. So that's the reason, and I went ahead and applied some more of the concealer to the nose because it wasn't showing fair enough, so I went ahead and applied more, blending out that, and I'm going to be adding some Sacha Buttercup to set the concealer as well. Here I've started lining the waterline with this white pencil. It gives the eyes a little more opening. Remember I did a smoky eye look, so the white pencil does help. And I'm going to be applying this blue shade from the Beauty Glaze palette beneath the waterline as well. Here I'm applying the highlighter shade to the tear dot area from the Black Radiance contour palette. Now I'm going to be applying this pressed powder from Loreal Truematch, and it is in what? This is C6, and I'm going to be applying that all over the face. Now it's time to set all this cream powder, foundation, all this liquid, everything apply the face, sealing it off with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Setting Spray. They set everything in one. Allow that to dry for a few minutes. Now I'm few seconds, not minutes. Now I'm going to be applying this lipstick. Both of them are from what's it called again? Yardie Cosmetics. One is this darker shade I'm using, it's called Chocolate, and the lighter shade I'm going to be applying next, that is called Nutmeg. finished highlighting the face. Now I'm going to be adding a little beauty mark here and there. If you have made it this far into the video, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you do learn from this makeup tutorial. Until next time, big up on yourself.